Can't go.
Hello everyone, let's have a look at this week's economic news. Thanks, Girl.
Key points of this week. The IMF forecasts a deep economic winter is coming. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, said Tuesday the global economy will suffer its worst year since the Great Depression of the 1930s due to the coronavirus pandemic. The IMF just published its World Economic Outlook for 2020 and 2021. It said global economic output will shrink by 3% this year, a bigger loss than during 2009 financial crisis's 0.1% decline. That was a marked reverse from the fund's previous forecast in January of 3.3% growth before the virus prompted governments to shut down factories, travel, and other industries. Investors are focusing on how and when authorities may begin to ease business shutdowns and limits on people's movements imposed to slow the spread of the coronavirus. The fund forecasted the world is confronted with a crisis like no other and the worst economic fallout since the Great Depression. It anticipated economic contractions this year of 5.9% in the United States, 7.5% in the 19 European countries that share the euro currency and 4.8% in Hong Kong. But China will grow at a measly 1.2%. The fund estimated 5.8% growth for global GDP in 2021. It expected a partial recovery in 2021, provided that the coronavirus pandemic eases throughout this year. It also said the lost top global gross domestic product, the broadest gauge of economic output, could amount to $9 trillion, or more than the economies of Germany and Japan combined. U.S. stocks rose on optimism that reopening of the U.S. economy and the possible coronavirus treatment are coming soon. On Wall Street, the Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed more than 900 points on Thursday. Meanwhile, benchmarks in Hong Kong surged 630 points on Friday and marked as its all-time high set in this month. The benchmark index gained 373 points, 1.56% to 24,380 at the close of trading. Turnover totaled 137.911 billion Hong Kong dollars. Hang Seng Index finally gained 79 points in this week. The Hang Seng China Enterprises Smart Index climbed 1.47% at 9,815. Its turnover totaled 56.019 billion Hong Kong dollars. Hang Seng China Affiliated Corporations Index gained 1.75% to 3,763. Turnover totaled 7.166 billion Hong Kong dollars. On the mainland, Shanghai Stock Exchange Composite Index was 0.66% higher at 2,838. Turnover totaled 280.025 billion Hong Kong dollars.
Thanks for watching. I will see you again next week. Bye bye.